Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure your device has power and a stable Wi-Fi connection because updates can be large. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon to verify the Google account. This ensures apps update for the right user. Once signed in, tap Manage Apps and Device to view pending updates. You do this first because it surfaces all updates in one place. That saves time and prevents missing background permissions later on. You now pick which apps to update. Tap Updates Available and scan the list. Prioritize system and security apps first. If you want everything current, tap Update All, but if storage or bandwidth is limited, update selected apps individually. Before confirming, check each app's permission changes so you know why new access is requested. Once done, updates download and install automatically. Monitor progress and restart the app if prompted, because some updates finish only after an app relaunch. Complete the process by restarting your device, which finalizes many updates and clears transient issues. If an install stalls or fails, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and clear cache, then retry. That resolves most corruption or sync errors. Make sure you have enough free storage, because insufficient space causes failures. If problems persist, remove and re-add your Google account or update Android system components. One key tip: clearing Play Store cache often fixes 90% of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.